Right. So we'll cover a little bit basics and then we'll get into our chapter. So our chapter was about quadrilaterals. In this chapter, we have one proof to be known. ये proof को मैं दोबारा नहीं करूंगा. I just will do verbally. You will get to understand. The proof is that diagonal of a parallelogram bisects into two congruent triangles. I think. Yeah. Ah. Bisects. Was it bisects each other? No. I think that proof was bisects each other. A congruent triangle. Yeah. So as per the syllabus, it's written as diagonal of a quadrilateral bisects the quadrilateral into two congruent triangle. Right. Just let me check because the rest of the proofs are not there. This one, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Sorry, this was the thing. That's why I'm getting a little bit confused. Whatever it is, children, if it is not same as I told last class, just correct it. So the proof that we need to do is diagonal of a parallelogram bisects it into two congruent triangles. Okay, this is the only proof that they may ask you. They may ask, they will not say you state, they will give you the theorem and they'll ask you that you prove it. Diagonal of a parallelogram bisects it into two congruent triangles. Very, very easy. So I'm just doing it by discussion. You know what to do. First, you have to write given a parallelogram, what? ABCD. This is your parallelogram in which AB is parallel to CD. What all are the conditions of a parallelogram? AB parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. ठीक है ना? ये सब हमें पता है. और अगर आपको ये पता है तो और क्या पता है? This side is equal to this side, this side. Now you just need to have a diagonal. Two congruent triangles. So two congruent triangles means straight away you can prove this angle is always equal to this angle. Agreed? और क्या? ये side is equal to ये side और ये common side. तो ऐसे ऐसे दोनों congruent हो गए. ये proof आपको आता है. Very very easy. आया तो 4 numbers should be 100% yours. They'll just say state and prove. ठीक है? The rest of the chapter, Arav and Yatharth, can I rub this? Is all about, you have to know all rules about how you can say that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. एक quadrilateral को अब parallelogram नहीं पढ़ाएंगे. Parallelogram, can you see from there? Comfortable. A parallelogram, there was one seat still here. You just need to separate and you can come. Sure. A parallelogram is what you studied in grade 8. What's a parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which two opposite sides are equal and they are also parallel. इतना ही हमें पता है. ठीक है? अब हम यहाँ पे कुछ clauses लिखेंगे. These clauses should be there, which should be hunting at your back end of your mind, because in these problems you will be given quadrilaterals which will look like parallelogram. You have to prove that they are parallelogram. ठीक है? Number 1, आइए कुछ के parallelogram के proper, and the chapter is based on all these things only. Number 1, the diagonal, whatever we just proved, okay, the diagonal
Question.
of, no, it's not a question. These are the summary that you should know, which you all have actually written. But anyways, nothing in revising. The diagonal of a parallelogram bisects it into two congruent triangles. What does this mean? This means that if in a question you are able to prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle, then also it is a parallelogram. Okay, na? Yes, sir. Number 2. diagonals of a parallelogram. अब देखना, हाँ पैरेललोग्राम एक बना के रखता हूं, पैरेललोग्राम के डायगोनल कभी भी इक्वल नहीं होते हैं, डोंट बी इन दैट फॉल्स। देखो कैसे इक्वल होंगे, ये दीज आर टू फार अवे एंड दीज आर टू नियर, हाँ दे आर नेवर इक्वल, डोंट हैव। इक्वल होते हैं सिर्फ रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर के केस में, रोम्बस में भी नहीं होता है। रोम्बस इज अ काजू कतली, एक तरफ बड़ा होगा, परपेंडिकुलर हो सकता है रोम्बस में, ठीक है। सो डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, ये जरूर होता है, bisects each other. This you need not know the proof, but you should know the converse also. If in a quadrilateral you are finding that the diagonals are bisecting each other, that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Number 3, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. ठीक है. Number 4, opposite sides and are equal, ये तो grade 8 वाला, equal and parallel. Number 5, one pair, now this is the one which we will use a lot, one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. ये बहुत easy, this is a very handy one. If you can prove this, then पूरा सब कुछ हो जाता है. If you can prove that one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, means your quadrilateral will become a parallelogram. या तो आप दोनों sides को equal proof, see, it's like, read it like this. If you want to play on equal, तब दोनों opposite sides को equal proof कीजिए. अगर आप parallel में खेलना चाहते हैं, दोनों opposite sides को parallel proof कीजिए. और अगर आप सिर्फ equal और parallel पे खेलना चाहते हैं एक साथ, तो एक opposite side को proof करने से हो जाता है. Did you understand? इक्वल में खेलेंगे तो हमें इसको भी इक्वल प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा, इसको भी इक्वल प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा. पैरेलल में खेलेंगे तो इसको भी पैरेलल, इसको भी पैरेलल. एंड इफ यू वांट टू से दैट सर मैं सिर्फ एक साइड के साथ खेलना चाहता हूं, देन शो दैट दे आर इक्वल एज वेल एज पैरेलल. क्लियर? एंड देयर इज अ फिफ्थ थ्योरम हियर, सिक्स्थ थ्योरम इन दिस चैप्टर. अभी लिख के रखता हूं, व्हेन इट विल कम वी विल डू इट. दिस इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस एंड क्यूट लिटिल थ्योरम. अभी इसमें स्टेट वेट नहीं करेंगे, I'll just verbally explain it to you. If you have any triangle ABC, okay, if you have any triangle ABC, this is a truth. There, a line joining the midpoint of the side A to the midpoint of the side C, any triangle need not be equilateral, any scalene भी हो सकता है, to the midpoint of the other side will always be parallel to the third side, and it will be half of it. Half of it. Any triangle. Line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle will always be parallel to the third side and half of it. Two sides mean this?
Half of BC.
Half of BC. Let us try and make, आपका मन नहीं मान रहा है ना, तो ऐसा स्केलिन जैसा बनाते हैं. ये स्केलिन ट्रायंगल है. This is scalene. This apparently is the midpoint. Do you agree? Somewhere here is also the midpoint. देखो, it will always be parallel. And half, as if he's decoded something great. Line joining the midpoint of one side, two sides of a triangle is always parallel to the third side. Third side means two sides, so two sides, you have already, those two sides could be this also. Once you have frozen your two sides, then remaining is only one side. That is called the third side. Many children get confused. Sir, what is third side? What is two sides? कोई confusion नहीं है. Triangle के कितने sides हैं? 3. Two sides बोलने से they are the two sides on which your danda is attached. Then what is the third side? The one that is left over. So even this is true. This is midpoint and this is midpoint. This will be parallel to this and half of this. आप इसमें भी करके देख सकते हो. इसका midpoint कहाँ पे आएगा? More or less यहाँ पे आएगा. ये इसका half है. ये सत्य है. Ready? That's all we need to know. But here we need to know. Remember, there are 5 criteria for parallelogram, out of which one is grade 8 criteria. क्या हुआ? Weber, all okay? Whatever. So what did we learn about quadrilateral criteria? If you are a parallelogram, your diagonal divides the quadrilateral into 2. You're comfortable now there. Somehow I am not getting comfort. Okay, divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Then opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. One pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. One pair of sides is equal. One pair of both pairs of sides are equal and both pairs of sides are parallel. Centroid is the point where the median, अच्छा centroid छेड़ दिया तो सुन लो, there will be three things always in a triangle. Number one, first of all you ask yourself, do you know what is a median? Median is a line which joins the vertex to the midpoint of the other side. Agreed? Do you know what is an angle bisector? Okay, this is a median, right? So we can have three medians in a triangle. This is called centroid. Likh lo. Centroid is intersection of three medians. Centroid means intersection of three medians. Centroid is intersection of three medians. From vertex beta, we can draw three type of lines. The first we discussed is median. Median का मतलब क्या होता है? वो line जो vertex से opposite side के midpoint को touch करता है. What was sin theta? Sin theta का value क्या है?
Opposite by opposite.
SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, always remember. So means opposite by hypotenuse. हो गया, centroid सीख लिया बेटा? Which one?
Yeah, it does.
This one? Centroid सीख लिया? Now the next thing, learn this one also parallelly. जब छेड़ ही दिया तो सीख ही लो. Another line that you can draw in a triangle from vertex to the other side is called the angle bisector. ये angle bisector है, ठीक है ना? ये angle bisector है, ठीक है? This point is known as incenter. Incenter is the intersection of three angle bisectors. इनमें गड़बड़ी मत करना. Centroid क्या होता है? Centroid is the intersection of three median. Incenter is the intersection of three angle bisectors. Centroid is for three medians. Incenter is for angle bisectors. Incenter is for angle bisector. हो गया, लिख लिया. अब थर्ड वाला लाइन देखो क्या होता है. Another line that we can draw is the altitudes, that are the perpendiculars. गड़बड़ हो गया. The perpendiculars. Then this point is known as orthocenter. Orthocenter is the intersection of three perpendiculars. Orthocenter is the intersection of three perpendiculars. Just perpendiculars, You don't use the word perpendicular bisector. आएंगे उसमें, अभी उसमें आएंगे. करेगा ही करेगा 100%. Orthocenter is the intersection of three altitudes. Altitudes, ये मत बोलना perpendicular bisector. Altitudes अभी आ रहे हैं था तुम्हारे वाले खाने के डिश में. क्या क्या सीखा? Orthocenter. Ortho means 90 in mathematics. Higher classes you will read what is orthogonal vectors, ortho orientation. Ortho मतलब हमेशा right angle. Dextro means always right hand. Levo means left hand. These are Greek combinations when you are going to study mathematics and this. Dextro rotatory मतलब right को rotate करने वाला. Levo rotatory मतलब बाएं को rotate करने वाला. ठीक है? तो क्या क्या सीखा? Median, incenter, orthocenter. ठीक है? Median कहाँ से जन्म हुआ? Sorry, centroid, incenter, orthocenter. Centroid जन्म हुआ median से. Orthocenter जन्म हुआ altitude से. And incenter जन्म हुआ angle bisector से. अब ये हाथ में median लो. Take median in this hand and take what you call altitude in this hand. Join them together. बनता है altitude से आया word perpendicular, median से आया word midpoint मतलब bisection, perpendicular bisector. So a perpendicular bisector is a rare combination where it is doing the job of altitude also and median also. समझ में आ रहा है? A perpendicular bisector is a combination, is a line which is a unique. हर triangle पे form नहीं होगा, वो सिर्फ form होगा equilateral और isosceles पे. देखो सबसे पहले equilateral लेते हैं. Equilateral is such a stylish triangle that in this triangle ये जो line draw किया ना, it serves the job of a median, it serves the job of a perpendicular, it also serves the job of an angle bisector. इसका मतलब है equilateral triangle में जो meeting point होगा, incenter, orthocenter and centroid एक ही point होगा. एंड इन द केस ऑफ आइसोसेलेस दो साइड के लिए वो होगा, एक के लिए नहीं होगा. लाइक दिस वन आइसोसेलेस में नहीं होगा. आइसोसेलेस दिस इज अ मीडियन as well as a perpendicular bisector, but then the others won't come and join at the same side. Angle, the perpendicular bisector of this side may not be like this, it may be just like this. So that doesn't hold here. Only in an equilateral triangle the orthocenter, incenter and centroid is one point and one line serves the job of all three. Is it clear? ये लेकिन कहीं सीबीएसई आजकल पढ़ा, हमारे टाइम में 7 में पढ़ाते थे इस चीज को, बट ये बच्चे गड़बड़ा जाते हैं. व्हाट इज ऑर्थोसेंटर? ऑर्थोसेंटर इज 3 ऑल्टीट्यूड्स, मीडियन इज सेंट्रॉइड एंड एंगल बाइसेक्टर इज इन सेंटर. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग प्रॉब्लम्स नाउ. कीप दिस इन योर मेमोरी. ठीक है, एंड वी विल डू द प्रॉब्लम्स बाय सेम स्क्रिबल मेथड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Whenever you try to do any proof problem, try to see what is the necessary and sufficient criteria that you are going to see. Chalo, let's take problems straight away. Say first we take some unsolved problems से करते हैं, या solved है क्या कुछ? Okay, there are 1 or 2 solved problems. Okay, 1 solved problem is there. 2 है अच्छा खासा. Let's do those. Okay, 2. Let's take one problem. Show that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Show that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So let's take a rhombus. ये तो kite हो गया है. So rhombus के diagonals को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? One is a major diagonal, one is a minor diagonal, because rhombus में you have unequal diagonals. Okay, so one will be known as a what do you call major and one will be known as a minor diagonal. चले, right? Shall we go? So let's take a rhombus. Let's our rhombus be ABCD. Agreed? And let the diagonals meet at O. AC is known as the major diagonal and BD is known as minor diagonal. What do we have to prove? We have to prove that diagonals of a rhombus by what are perpendicular to each other. मतलब एक एंगल ये एंगल को 90 प्रूव कर दिए तो हो गया. इसको एक बार दिखा दिया तो बाकी में कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, डन. लुक एट ट्राइंगल T1 and T2. T1 and T2. Can we say this is equal to this? Yes. Other things what we can say? This is common. And is a rhombus a parallelogram? हाँ, is a rhombus a parallelogram? So diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So this one and this one by congruent हो गया. Congruent हो गया. So if this angle is x and this is y, then you can say x is equal to y CPCT, and x plus y should also be equal to 180 degree by a linear pair. Bas 2x is equal to 180, so x is equal to 90. X 90 तो y 90. Similarly, you can prove for this side also. इस side और proof नहीं करते. Similarly, it can be same analogy can be extended for the other sides also. So this problem is done. We will go like this. Your job is at home. You are supposed to do it in which you will not do. Rhombus ना बेटा. रोम्बस के चारों साइड. तो रोम्बस का जन्म कहां से हुआ? एक दिन स्क्वायर खड़ा था असेंबली में, पनिशमेंट मिल गया तो स्क्वायर धीरे से टेढ़ा हो गया. स्क्वायर से जन्म हुआ रेक्टेंगल, सॉरी रोम्बस. और पैरेललोग्राम का जन्म कहां से हुआ? रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल टेढ़ा हो गया तो क्या बन गया? पैरेललोग्राम. आर वी फाइन बच्चा?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो गो टू नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. और प्रॉब्लम्स करते हैं ऐसे. सी दिस सबसे लवली वेदर और सब है. घर में जाके स्क्रिबल पैड लो, सारे प्रॉब्लम्स निकाल लो एक एक करके, खत्म. ओके, abasa is an isosceles triangle. Abasa is an isosceles triangle. So this is abasa. Abasa is an isosceles triangle. I am doing all NCERT examples, okay, in which aba equal to asa. Aba equal to asa. ADA bisects the exterior angle PAC. There's an exterior angle called PAC, PAC, and ADA bisects it. So there's a bisection which has happened here. and we don't know where is this. This is ADA. कौन सा? PAC. हाँ, PAC मतलब उस साइड. तो ये डायग्राम को थोड़ा नीचे लाना पड़ेगा, वरना हमारी अन्य मैडम को नहीं दिखेगा. So Zoom is closed. So what? Anya is anyway not joining. She will not be able to see in the video. Now there's a banner which comes here. Yo, what nonsense you're thinking? Ava equal to Asa. Very good. यथार्थ, thank you. और ये क्या है? PAC. PAC को बाइसेक्ट कौन करता है बेटा? PAC को AD बाइसेक्ट करता है. देखो ना, थोड़ा सा पैरेललोग्राम का कांड बनना पड़ेगा ना, बन रहा है. ठीक है, PAC बाइसेक्ट. Show that DAC equal to BCA. Show that DAC is equal to BCA. We have to show DAC equal to BCA. Number one, let's prove angle DAC equal to angle BCA. इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए what should you be able to prove? That AD is parallel to BC. अगर ये प्रूफ कर दिया तो alternate interior angle हो जाएगा ना. अब वो कैसे प्रूफ करे? That this is parallel to this. Let us try and see. Is this angle same as this angle? Is angle B equal to angle C? Very good. And what is the exterior angle? Sir, this whole thing is the exterior angle. So we can write angle PAC is equal to 2 times of angle C. PAC is equal to B plus C. B and C are same. मैं थोड़ा एडवांस कर रहा हूँ, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. If that means PAC should be equal to twice of angle C. Yeah. Now rest another thing. What can you say? What about angle A? Angle A is equal to how much? A should be 180 minus PAC. Achha, but we have to prove what? We have to prove angle DAC. See, keep in mind what you have to prove. We have to prove this is equal to this. How do you prove it? Hello, start thinking. How do you prove it? कौन सा? AD एंगल बाइसेक्टर तो नहीं बोला आपको. AD, हाँ, AD is angle बाइसेक्टर है ना. AD बाइसेक्ट्स एक्सटीरियर एंगल, तो हो गया बस. AD is angle bisector. Very good, Dipanshu. तो क्या हो गया हमारा? See, we are already done. Okay, 180 minus angle. Is this? Have you understood this?
Yeah.
Angle A is equal to 180 minus angle PAC, and PAC is equal to twice of C, right? So if you do half of this, should be equal to half of this. Agreed?
Yes.
So this should be equal to angle C. What is half of PAC? Half of PAC is nothing but angle DAC, because it is given that this is angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector. Have you understood? इसको लिख लीजिए. This is NCERT example. In my book it is example 3. तो आपके बुक में भी 3 होगा. Did we understand what we have done here? We were given an isosceles triangle with an exterior. Madam, okay. Switch on the fan if it is hot. Okay, so. I have some feeling that you are lost out, or you may be angry. घुसते ही मैं दरवाजा लेके हल्ला करता हूँ. What कंजूस आदमी बच्चे की तरह दरवाजे के पीछे पड़ा है. क्या करूं यार? OCD है ना मेरे अंदर. You know what is OCD? What is OCD? What is OCD? Anyone who knows the full form of OCD?
OCD?
Obsessive compulsive disorder. Very good. Obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD means everything. You just say, like when the grade 10 batch comes and studies, there are more students who sit here. After every 5 minutes, I say, just get up. This is not parallel to this line. It should be. So in my college and hostel days, students my friends used to come to my room. So my bed will be like it's like this. Say suppose this is your bed and the bed sheet has got a checker print. So every checker should be like parallel. This line should be parallel to the bed. So they used to come to my room, and after sitting, they will get down, brushing their bums in such a way that the bed sheet is dragged, and this chaddar becomes aisa kar dete the. Or return my book with little bit of dog's ears done. Therefore, I never used to share. I used to be very, what you call, selfish, you can say, because I'll give it to only those boys and girls who know how to preserve it. So when they return their my copy to me, they also make sure those days itna to plastic nahi tha. But if you buy saris, you get very good carry bags in our days, and those carry bags used to have on the handle there used to be locking teeth. ऐसा होल रहता था, टक टक करके लॉक हो जाता था. So still now you have some. So they used to bring my practical copy in that, and I used to make sure don't eat, don't write the notes on dining table क्योंकि हल्दी वल्दी लग जाएगा ना, हो गया. Now also when I first sit on my car, that infotainment system is there everywhere. It's a touch screen. So whenever you switch on the car, the screen becomes dark. Then you see your fingerprints. So first thing is that gray towelish cloth which you see, that's an anti-dust repelling towel. वो costly है. ऐसा मेरे घर में 5-6 हाँ microfiber. So one will be there with my laptop. One is there immediately as I start the car. It will be there. The screen should be crystal clean. And in my car, there is a rule: whether you're going long journey or anything, no wafers are allowed.
No chips.
चिप्स खाना है, फ्यूल स्टेशन में फ्यूल करेंगे, बाहर बैठो आराम से खाओ. No chips, no egg puff, curry puff, chicken puff. When you bite it, then kach 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 kach. No all those stuff. Yes, what all are allowed? You take a egg roll, you take a paratha. You want to eat an ice cream, provided you are on katora. वो ऐसे लेके बात कर रहे हो, then that falls off. So there is to be an ad of what you call Castrol. I don't know whether you have watched that. So it's to be an audio ad. The person says, I just divorced my wife, whom I married after a love affair of 10 years. You know why? She just banged the door when she sat on my car. And then they say, when your car is so precious to you, switch on to liquid engineering, Castrol. Okay. So so much the car is precious that जिसको इतना प्यार करके शादी किया उसको भी डिवोर्स दे दिया क्योंकि आपको गाड़ी में बैठना नहीं आता. इनफैक्ट माय मदर तो is like pelvis broken, na? So she always walks with stick. So her getting up time, she is more worried how she will get up so that there is a section on the car where your feet can strike, right? The ceiling of the bottom floor of the car. वहाँ पे भी जूता लगाना. Not many children who get up in the car, na, they put their first step there only. Put that leg into the mat and then sit. And sometimes, typically, if you're wearing sari and all, na, you get up, then your leg scratches that portion. Good. कच हो जाता है. चलिए आगे. Next question. Easy है, इतना मुश्किल नहीं. ये थोड़ा लंबा है. Two parallel lines L and M. तो एक parallel line हो गया L. Okay. Why am I using red? Let me use blue. One parallel line is L and one parallel line is M. लमा. हाँ, लामा मत बोल देना. ल और म दो पैरेलल लाइन है. लाइन वो होता है जिसके दोनों तरफ में तीर होता है. एक तरफ ब्रह्मास्त्र, एक तरफ आग्नेयास्त्र. ठीक है, जा रहा है दोनों तरफ. ठीक. L and M are intersected by a transversal. और यो ट्रांसवर्सल पंजाब से आया इसलिए P है इसका नाम. ठीक है. Mahabharata over, and then who was Draupadi in the whole thing. So show that the quadrilateral formed by the angle bisectors of the interior angles. Now what are the interior angles? There is one interior angle here. देखो यहाँ पे I will do that with black so there is one angle bisector of this interior angle. Do you agree? There is one angle bisector of this interior angle. There is one bisector of this interior angle, and there is one bisector of this interior angle. So now we have a quadrilateral, and our quadrilateral are A, B, D, C. So this is A, B, C, and this is D. समझ में आया बच्चा? और इनको थोड़ा नाम दे दो. This is named as P, otherwise you have to PS, and the other one is named as QR. QR, just because you'll need some angle. What we have to prove here is that it is given, and this is just show that the quadrilateral form is a rectangle. You have to prove that. You have to prove Abasada, quadrilateral Abasada is a rectangle. और अब पेन्स आजकल खूब जल्दी खराब हो रहे हैं, and inside me the feeling that I should migrate to a digital board is is increasing a lot. 3-4 दिन पेन में इंक भरो, उसके बाद इंक रहा. I'm just waiting. I've got 3 bottles of black ink. Pee. Rest, if it doesn't finishes, we'll open Arab's mouth and like pulse polio will put. Okay? You know pulse polio, right?
Yeah.
So, we have to prove that this is a D is here, children. Sorry, this is D. So we need to prove that BCD. This is a rectangle. अच्छा, rectangle proof करने के लिए क्या proof करना पड़ेगा?
All angles are equal in that line. Yes. Yeah.
वो है पर सीधा बोलना. 90 डे ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल नाम का कोई कैसे हम प्रूफ करेंगे? कोई सब्जेक्टिव होना पड़ेगा ना. इफ द फूड इज टेस्टी, उससे अच्छा बोलो ना फूड का रेटिंग 10 है. तो अगर आप एक एंगल को 90 प्रूफ करोगे, डू यू रिमेंबर व्हाट वी डिड इन द अर्लियर क्लास? इफ वन एंगल ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 90 and it's if it is a parallel, if it is parallel and 90, then automatically what happens? You are a rectangle. What I'm trying to say, understand,
Only one.
इसको 90 प्रूफ करने से ये एक रेक्टेंगल नहीं है. देखो, क्या ये 90 है? इज दिस 90? यस. ये ऐसा बना दिया, ऐसा बना दिया, रेक्टेंगल थोड़ी हुआ. पहले इसको 90 बनाओ, 90, और ये भी प्रूफ करो कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है. पैरेललोग्राम के लिए क्या करेंगे? इसका इक्वल एक और साइड होना चाहिए जो इसके पैरेलल होगा. एंड ये दोनों इक्वल एंड पैरेलल मींस इट हैज टू बी अ पैरेललोग्राम. व्हाट इज द रूल इन अ पैरेललोग्राम? वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड इज इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. वन पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. अब ये अगर 90 है तो these two are parallel lines. If these two are parallel lines, consecutive interior angle ये भी 90. If these two are 90 and this is equal to this is parallel to this, you automatically 90. So our first job should be prove that this is a parallelogram and prove that this is 90. Prove this is 90 or this is 90, whatever.
AD is parallel to BC and AD is parallel to C.
AD is parallel to. Now we have to see now. Okay, how to prove that this is a parallelogram. So एक बार एक चीज. So our two targets are there, बच्चा. One is ABCD को आप दिखा दीजिए कि ये डबल लाइन GM है, एंड एनी वन एंगल से एंगल अबसा को दिखा दीजिए कि वो 90 डिग्री है. बस रेक्टेंगल हो गया हमारा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दैट टारगेटिंग, कैसे हम टारगेट करते हैं?
Yes.
राइट. चलें, अब इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ करने के लिए कितने तरीके हैं पैरेललोग्राम के? याद करो. कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, इधर डायगोनल्स नहीं है. One pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. That is the best way to go. One pair of opposite side is equal and parallel, or opposite sides are parallel. क्योंकि यहाँ पे there are a lot of transversals which are being formed. Opposite sides parallel is, कोई ना कोई जला दिया अपने किचन में. Okay, opposite sides parallel. Today somebody below me also, they are experts in milk burning. We should give them gold medal. The flat below me, they are milk burning experts. Either you will get nice paratha smell or burnt middle. So either is.
Yeah. In NCERT exam.
So chale, how to prove it a parallelogram?
If we take two parallel.
No, he was saying our Angad ko dete hain. He was very eager. बोलो.
AD is parallel to BC.
Wait. AD ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. AD is parallel to BC. पहले एक वो तो पहले आप बोलो ना कैसे एंगल बाइसेक्टर. See, this angle. Wait. This angle. This is parallel to this. First of all, can I say this whole angle is equal to what? This angle should be equal to what? This angle should be equal to this alternate interior angle. Agreed? QCP मतलब QCP. हाँ, QCP. हाँ.
Okay.
So these two angles are equal, alternate interior. Correct? This is angle bisector. So half of this angle should be half of this angle.
Yeah.
Now how do you prove? So we can say half of this angle means this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. That makes me conclude that this particular line is parallel to this particular line, because in this एक कुछ ऐसा हो गया. देखो तो ऐसा दो line है. Right? Are you getting me? And you have a blue line. You have a blue line which is coming like this, right? And I'm just naming this as star. I'm naming this as star, double star, star, double star. If star equal to double star, are these two not पैरेलल, प्रूव्ड दे आर पैरेलल। ठीक है, वैसे ही यहां पे कुछ कर सकते हैं ना। दिस होल इज इक्वल टू दिस होल, अग्रीड? दैट मींस दिस हाफ इज इक्वल टू दिस हाफ बिकॉज दे आर ऑल एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स। सो नाउ वी कैन से वन लड्डू इक्वल टू डबल लड्डू। हाँ, सो हाँ, तो अभी पैरेललोग्राम तो प्रूव हो गया, opposite sides are parallel. Now just bring that this is 90 degree. That's your job. That you all have to help me. Chalo, this part, have all of you understood how we got this as a parallelogram? Any doubt? We can do it again. Whole of the angle equal to whole of the angle. So x is equal to double x. Parallel हो गया. कौन parallel हो गया? ये और ये parallel हो गया. Whole of the angle equal to whole of the angle. लड्डू equal to double लड्डू. कौन parallel हो गया बेटा? ये parallel हो गया इसके साथ. So this whole is a parallelogram. Now tell me how to prove this is 90. चलिए, हाँ, SAC, हाँ बोलो बेटा, हाँ लिखते हैं। So SAC, very good. चल बेटा, plus angle AACR should be equal to 180 degree. बहुत अच्छा।
Sir, ACD forms a triangle.
ACD forms a triangle. Okay.
Sir, like you can half the equation. 1/2
हाँ हाँ, नहीं हो गया ये, एक मिनट, वो ठीक ही बोला है। इसको हाफ कर दो, इस इक्वेशन को, हाफ एंगल सैक, ठीक है, प्लस हाफ एंगल ACR इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री ACR। तो इसमें हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? सो वी कैन राइट, नाउ यू लुक एट ट्राइंगल ACD, you look at triangle ACD. You know what is ACD triangle? Just this triangle you look at, this triangle ACD. So based on SAC means cross plus laddu laddu is equal to 90 degree. Cross plus laddu laddu, cross plus laddu laddu is equal to 90 degree. That means tick must be equal to 90 degree. That means tick must be, job done. In a parallelogram, if one angle is 90 degree, the parallelogram is a चतुर्भुज, means rectangle. हिंदी के नाम क्या होते हैं? ट्राइंगल को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? त्रिभुज। त्रिकोण is three corner. त्रिभुज, तीन भुजाएं हैं, three arms. क्वाड्रिलेटरल को चतुर्भुज। त्रिकोण is three angles, तीन corners. स्क्वायर को क्या बोलते हैं? वर्ग। रेक्टेंगल को बोलते हैं आयत। एंड स्क्वायर रूट को क्या बोलते हैं? वर्गमूल। मूल मीन्स रूट, उसका मूल बताओ, तो वर्गमूल। इक्वेशन बोलते हैं मान। इस समीकरण का मान बताइए, सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन। हाँ,
Like with this, can you say that AC is the diagonal?
yes sir.
So the diagonal of parallelogram bisects the angles. You can say that
Diagonal of a parallelogram,
bisects the angles.
diagonals of a parallelogram bisects the angle. Always these two angles are equal, na? In a parallelogram, in a rectangle they bisect the angle. If not in a parallelogram, your case is correct. Try to think it in a different manner. In this case, you will find that the diagonals are bisecting the angles. If the diagonals bisect the angles, that's a rectangle. That way also you can prove. Or else आप quadrant. But this is the best way. एक parallelogram prove करो और एक को 90 prove कर दो. Searching, solving. Can we go to the next one? Some more? चलो. Some more. Yes, sir. Yes, sure. But make sure it might not be clean. आप मेरे slippers ले जाइए. Hey, don't wear your socks and go. You put these and go. Otherwise, it rained very badly. Right. Please go. From her balcony, her parents are visible or something. Yeah. Chale? Okay. Yes. You felt suffocating, that's why. So you come here ना, वहाँ पे ventilation नहीं है. Please, I want you to come here. Fan चल रहा है, पानी पियो. Want to use the washroom? बैठ इधर आराम से. At least looking at my demonic figure, people forget nausea. Are you okay now? You need some water? अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज ही चॉकलेट टैंगी कुछ नहीं है, ये क्या कर, I know that, but this space is more ventilated, na? Then that's why. Plus, you are not switching on the fan. Room freshener you can bardasht to five. Wait, no, 1 minute, ना है ना, सामान है तो काहे को use नहीं कर. I thought your mom is trying to say something. That's why you're going to the balcony because. एकदम वरी मत करो, ऑलवेज गो कंफर्टेबल. यू वांट मी टू ओपन द फ्रंट डोर लिटिल बिट? अभी चंदन का स्मेल आ जाएगा. आ गया? यस सर. तो इसमें खांसी हो रहा है क्या? किसको? हाँ.
Sir, the question over here, if we already proved that angle DSC is equal to BCA, can we say similarly angle B, I mean,
If the logic is same, always you can say similarly. Yes. Similar logic can be extended. Shall we go ahead? Chandan bhi problem hai. Now best I can give you is, I have got the body deo sprays. You want to smell that?
sir, I'm allergic problem.
Is anyone allergic with me? दीपांशु बोलना नहीं चाह रहा है लेकिन उसका वो छुपा के रख रहा है. सर दिल की बात कह दी आपने. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. वी हैव अ पैरेललोग्राम. वी हैव अ पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है, एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाते हैं. मजे मजे प्रॉब्लम है यार. एक पैरेललोग्राम ले लो. So here we have to prove. So we are naming it as Abbathada. This is another example. Na? In this parallelogram, and sometimes if you feel hot, na, you can. नहीं मीन्स नॉसिएटिंग जब होता है ना, ये श्रग क्या होता है, देखो ये जगह पे जब आदमी को दो जगह पे ठंडक चाहिए, जब भी कभी भी आप लोग ही बोल रहता हूँ, कभी भी कोई बस में अगर आपको नॉसिया फीलिंग हो रहा है, द बेस्ट थिंग इज इफ यू हैव लाइम लीव्स, lemon leaves or lemon, anything citrus you smell, any vomiting or nausea will go away, especially when you are traveling on ghats. And if you travel on ghats on big vehicle, nothing will be the problem. जितना छोटा गाड़ी में जाओगे ना, and you sit in the back seat, the driver never pukes because he turns along with the car. You turn as a follower. तो आपको ये puking होगा. इसके लिए बेस्ट क्या होता है, कान एक्सपोज रखिए, and if you think there is a problem, expose your feet also. एंड ये जगह एक्सपोज रखिए. इनमें जितना हवा लगता रहेगा ना, आपको कभी गड़बड़ी नहीं होगा. एंड एनीथिंग हैपेंस, जस्ट गो एंड वेट दिस टू पोर्शंस. मजा नहीं लाइफ. कैरम खेला ना, जूस पीवा. ठीक है. ABCD. We will show that the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram. We need to take the bisectors of the angles. ठीक है, इनके bisectors लेते हैं. इसका bisector, इसका बाइसेक्टर, इसका बाइसेक्टर, इसका बाइसेक्टर. ये अंदर में जो फॉर्म हुआ है ना, क्या PQRS, स्क्वायर की बात नहीं है. ये ससुरा रेक्टेंगल है. आप प्रूफ कीजिए. तो रेक्टेंगल के लिए क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है? रेक्टेंगल प्रूविंग बेस्ट इज प्रूफ फर्स्ट पैरेललोग्राम एंड 190. कैसे करेंगे? Angle bisectors. We know opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal, right? इतना से इतना तो पता चल गया भाई साहब. क्या पता चल गया? These are all angle bisectors. So one thing that we know is that this is parallel to this. This angle is equal to this angle. This is known to us. Do you agree? ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन है ना, ट्रांसवर्सल, करेक्ट. एंड दिस एंगल इज हाफ. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू दिस पर्टिकुलर फेलो. ये फेलो हाफ ऑफ दिस, मतलब दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू दिस. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लॉजिक? दिस फेलो इज इक्वल टू दिस फेलो. And this fellow is also half of this fellow. See, angle D is always equal to angle B. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Half of angle D is half of angle B. half of angle B in my diagram is a cross and half of angle D in my diagonal is a cross. Cross equal to cross and cross is also equal to this thing. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया बेटा? Are these two not corresponding angles? If you see BR as a line and say whatever you name this as, say some point, this is T. BR और ST को देखो, BR और ST के लिए ये ट्रांसवर्सल हो गया ना? Is a transversal? This line is a transversal? नहीं, अब नहीं समझ में आया. Not agreeing. और आपको क्या मिला है? This angle equal to this. These are corresponding angles.
Yes.
So straight away we can say, इससे हमें ये प्रूव हो गया QR is parallel to PS. Agreed? QR parallel to US हो गया. उसी तरह same analogy we can extend on this side. How to extend on this side? We write angle C equal to angle A. भाई साहब, agreed? Half of angle C is equal to half of angle A. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है circle half of angle C is half of angle A. That means which is equal to this. Do you agree? भाई साहब? And this being parallel to this line, this angle is also equal to this angle. This is parallel to this, na? These two are parallel, so this is alternate interior angle. Clear? Right? तो आपका क्या हो गया? ये कैसे प्रूफ किया आपने? This is equal to this. Okay, so we say this is equal to this. And now, if you see this is half. Then the other half should also be a dot only. So dot and dot. These are parallel lines, and this is the transversal. These are parallel lines. So can you just say PQ parallel to SR? Proved. Parallelogram proved. Now prove that it is a rectangle. समझ में आया कि नहीं? Parallelogram कैसे हुआ? हाँ? कौन सा?
PSNQR.
PSNQR तो पहले ही प्रूफ किया ना बेटा. ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर है, ये वाला इसके बराबर. ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन है ना, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. ठीक है. और ये पूरा एंगल P D और B इक्वल है ना, पूरा एंगल. तो इसका हाफ भी इसका हाफ इक्वल होगा. इसका हाफ क्या है? X, एंगल बाइसेक्टर. तो ये भी X है, इसका मतलब ये दोनों X है. तो ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, ये दोनों पैरेलल हो. अभी भी डाउट है? कोई बात नहीं, इसमें हम बोल सकते. सो पैरेललोग्राम तो प्रूव हो गया. नाउ हाउ डू यू प्रूव दैट दे आर 90 डिग्री? नाउ सिंस दे आर पैरेलल, 90 प्रूव करना बड़ा आसान है. दिस एंगल and this angle should add up and give you how much? 180 degree. Very good. And this angle and this angle should add up and give you 180 degree. Very good. Now तो easy है. This angle tick is equal to this angle, right? And थोड़ा और लगाओ. These two आ गया. Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite angles. This and this angle is again equal to this angle. आ गया. तो this and this are also same, dot and dot. So if this is dot, this is also dot. This is X. Dot and X. Dot and X are half and half. आ गया ये. Now can you prove 90? See, I have given you the link. This angle is equal to dot, and this angle is equal to X. Now X plus dot. You tell me. 2X plus 2 dot should be equal to 180 degree. This is a parallelogram. So X plus dot should be equal to 90 degree. Half of both sides. X plus dot should be equal to 90. And X plus dot is what? X plus dot is tick as per exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite angles. Should I do it again? थोड़ा लफड़ा है. अच्छा देखो, एक बार फिर से देखो बच्चा. Can I say X is, this is X, this is X? ये देखो, if this is X, this is X. Agreed? If this is dot, this is dot. We have to basically prove this angle is 90 degree. इसको हम tick लेके चलते हैं. This angle is tick. This is what? Dot. This is what? Cross. Can we say tick is equal to dot plus cross? Can we say this? We have to prove tick is 90 degree, right? Exterior angle. Now look from here. Twice of x is this angle plus twice of dot means this angle is equal to 180 degree. Parallelogram. तो हाफ हाफ करने से x प्लस डॉट कितना हुआ 90. तो ये टिक की जगह पे 90 लिख देना तो हो गया भाई. थोड़ा सोचिंग आंसर निकलिंग नॉट सोचिंग तो आंसर नॉट निकलिंग. लेकिन ये अगर आप पाइलिंग रख देंगे ना अगले हफ्ते के लिए सब नैप्थलीन बॉल की तरह. आज एक बाथरूम में नया ओडोनिल डालो और that AER packets are available na? AER, you put one new packet and you see the fresh smell is so lovely, and you learn some geometry also today. 1 week don't study any geometry, and after 1 week also enter your bathroom, see how strong the smell is. It will be feeble. So same is the condition of geometry also. वो भी उड़ चुका है. volatile रहेगा तो उड़ जाएगा, पढ़ेंगे तो होएगा. ठीक है. एक और प्रॉब्लम किया जाए. ABCD is a parallelogram. एक parallelogram बनाए. These are all solved examples. See, there is no point in me writing it and you copying it. Once your idea strikes, what all ideas did strike us today? Today we concentrated more on problems in which quadrilaterals were proved first as parallelogram, then as rectangle. तो अभी तक आपके दिमाग में ये आ जाना चाहिए rectangle कैसे प्रूव होता है. How to get that 90 degree. एक बार हमने when Arav had solved it, we solved it how? Sum of 3 angles. अभी हमने एक्सटीरियर एंगल का प्रॉपर्टी लगाया, 90 करना है उसको. चलिए अगले प्रॉब्लम में हमें दिया है ABCD is a parallelogram in which, तो एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाते हैं ABCD. आइए, ABCD is a parallelogram in which P and Q are midpoints of AB and CD. तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे हमारे पास P है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास Q है, ये AB है और ये CD है, right? ABCD, P and Q are midpoints of AB and CD. If AQ intersects DP at C, AQ intersects DP, तो हम पहले DP भरना पड़ेगा. DP, ये DP है, and AQ intersects DP at C. नहीं, AQ intersects DP at S, मतलब ये पॉइंट S है, ठीक है ना. And BQ intersects CP, तो पहले CP को भर लो, and there is a line called BQ intersects at R. So I hope you have understood what is the problem. The question is ABCD is a parallelogram in which Q is the midpoint of this side and P is the midpoint of this side. After that we have joined DP and we have joined BQ, and we joined this and we joined this, right? Now you have to prove, first you have to prove 3 things are to be proved. APCQ is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral APCQ, तो ध्यान देना, APCQ जब इट्स अ मोस्ट इजीएस्ट प्रॉब्लम. अगर ये नहीं आता है ना, खिड़की खोल के जंप मार दो. हाँ, ये वाला अगर प्रूव नहीं कर पाए, प्रूव दैट इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? You already know that QC is parallel to AP, and you know that DC is equal to AB. Half of this is this. So what did you use? One pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. All okay? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
किसी के भी बैग वैग में कोई मैंगो बाइट नहीं है? तुम लोग क्या बड़े भिखारी हो, कोई चॉकलेट नहीं रखते, जो मिलता है जो ही खा देते हो. हाँ,
One sitting in a sir.
थोड़ा खोल दूं क्या? Okay. So have you understood?
Yes.
ये प्रॉब्लम को कैसे करते हैं? First of all, you have to prove that this is a quadrilateral. Why have any problem in proving this is a quadrilateral? So we already know that this is parallel to this and they are equal. Now somehow Weber also makes faces like this. Complete hallucination वाला चेहरा बनाते हैं. Okay. Next is डीबीपी डीपीबीक्यू डीबीपीक्यू डीपीबीक्यू होगा। डीपीबीक्यू डीपीबीक्यू का मतलब है कौन सा, ये वाला। इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ कीजिए। सेम एनालॉजी, ये भी हो गया। PSQR इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, नाउ यू प्रूफ, ये आप करो। PSQR is a parallelogram, तो हो ही गया ना। This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. From the previous one you find that this is parallel to this, from the second one you find this, here it's a parallelogram. PC bisects AB, QB नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जरूरत नहीं है ना। तुमने इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ किया कि नहीं, तो ये खंड और ये खंड पैरेलल हुए कि नहीं। तुमने इसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ किया ना, तो ये खंड भी पैरेलल हुए, हो गया फिर पैरेललोग्राम। क्या अंगद सोए नहीं क्या रात को, इतना यॉर्निंग क्यों हो रहा है आज, करके यॉन कर रहे हो, ठीक है। ओके इसकी देखो पैरेललोग्राम का एक एक्सरसाइज, एंड नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम। मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, ठीक है। अब पैरेललोग्राम के एक्सरसाइज आप थोड़े से अटेम्प्ट कीजिए। आइए मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, जस्ट राइट द मिड पॉइंट, आई टोल्ड यू ना, लाइन जॉइनिंग, मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम लिख लो। प्रूफ नहीं आता है तो यू नो दैट line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. Line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. In your book it is only written till parallel to the third side, half the third side nahi bola, but it is also half the third side. In your book I see it's only written line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, but it is also half of it. Because in grade 10 when you study similar triangle you will prove it, it's also half of it. चले उसके ऊपर एक प्रॉब्लम करें। तो इसका कन्वर्स क्या है पता है ना। अगर कोई इसका कन्वर्स कैसे देखोगे, इसका कन्वर्स इज समथिंग लाइक दैट। सपोज इफ यू हैव a line which originates from the midpoint of one side of a triangle and which goes parallel to the third side must bisect the other side, मतलब यहाँ भी midpoint में टच करना चाहिए, वही तो हुआ ना कन्वर्स इसका, ठीक है। आइए इसके ऊपर एक दो प्रॉब्लम करने की कोशिश करते हैं, and then we'll give one more class of revision and doubt clearing and then we can move on from this chapter. आपने सॉल्व करना है, बाकी we can do, okay let's take one more example. Okay, draw a triangle ABC such that it is scalene. Yes, triangle abasa, and abasa should be as scalene as possible. Okay, in which DF should be the midpoints. D इसका midpoint है, E इसका midpoint है और F इसका midpoint है, मतलब तीनों में ही ये रूल लागू होगा। अभी DF is a midpoint, ठीक है। Show that this bड़ा triangle is divided into 4 congruent triangles. You have made it as show that the triangle ABC is now divided into 4 congruent triangles by joining DEF. So once you have joined DEF, you have to prove that 1 is congruent to 2, is congruent to 3, is congruent to 4. चले प्रूफ करने के लिए सबसे पहले 1 को लेते हैं। 1 वर्सेस क्या 4 या 2 4, you want to, चलो 2 के साथ 1 और 2 को कंपेयर करते हैं। 1 और 2 को कंपेयर करोगे तो कैसे कंपेयर करोगे? These are all half, so this angle is equal to this angle, और क्या AE is equal to EC, very good, और क्या और क्या बोलिए सर। अब आप सोचो कॉन्ग्रुएंस के रूल क्या है, SSS, तुमने एंगल A से भी एक एंगल होता है, A से हाँ ये इसका पैरेलल है ना, अरे तो ये ठीक बोले ना, दिस एंगल ए से हो गया ए एस ए, ठीक है। अब 1 को 3 के साथ प्रूफ करो, 1 वर्सेस 3, और 2 और 4 को कर देंगे तो सबका सबके साथ हो गया। 1 को 3 के साथ करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे बच्चा, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड, और ए से करना है ना, और ये एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एंगल। नहीं सर, नहीं, ए से प्रूफ करना है या जो भी प्रूफ करो, देखो क्या क्या हो रहा है, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, दिस साइड, हाँ DEF है ये, EDF भाई साहब हम 1 और 3 को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं। देखो इधर आप SS तो यहाँ हो नहीं रहा है ना, तो हम कैसे करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, EAD is equal to angle FDB, हाँ ये हो जाएगा ना, this is parallel to this line is parallel to this whole line, so हाँ this angle is parallel to this, तो हो गया ASA, congruent।
E is equal to BF because the theorem says that midline is half of.
ये तुम्हारा ग्रेड 9 के बुक में वो हाफ पार्ट लिखा हुआ नहीं है, इसलिए ऐसे हो गया, प्रूव हो गया, तो ठीक है। तो हमारा 1 3 के साथ हो गया, 1 का 2 के साथ, अब 2 और 4 को करो, 2 वर्सेस 4, देन एवरीथिंग इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एवरीथिंग, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड। 1 का 2 के साथ हो गया, 1 का 3 के साथ हो गया, 2 का अगर 4 के साथ हो गया, दैट मींस 3 का भी 4 के साथ हो गया, 3 and 4 IF कॉमन हमको भी आता है, और क्या बोले, बोलिए सर, what all things you are seeing, this is parallel to this, तो ये रूल यूज कीजिए, this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior, this is common, ठीक है ना। अब किसी तरह ये एंगल को इसके इक्वल कीजिए जो कि 100% होगा, they are parallel lines, therefore this angle is equal to this angle, therefore it becomes ASA again, so this is also proved now everything। पर लिखा नहीं है ना तुम्हारे बुक में, क्यों उसके पीछे पड़े हो, बिना उसके भी तो हो रहा है, ठीक है। I think that half word is written in CBSE's what you call syllabus, सिलेबस में हाफ वर्ड लिखा हुआ है, चेक क्लियर, ये वाला तो हो गया, और कुछ है ही नहीं। बाकी अभी आप 8.2 कोशिश कीजिए, बट डू एन गिव अ एफर्ट। आई विल फर्स्ट से डोंट डू RS अग्रवाल नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर, डोंट डू RS अग्रवाल, फर्स्ट यू गो होम एंड इन दिस 1 वीक, करोगे तो नहीं फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ, इन ज्योमेट्री ऑलवेज फर्स्ट NCERT solved and then problem and then come to RS अग्रवाल, and वो भी ज्यादा टफ वाले प्रॉब्लम करके भी फायदा नहीं है। First this in NCERT is must. We'll give one more class to this chapter. Same for every these, whenever analytical geometry comes, first NCERT solved exam, not only triangles, after this we'll do circles also, this is what we will go. First NCERT solved, unsolved, then comes this. Next class we will give one more class to just wrap up your doubts, then we can go for the revision karenge or doubts clear. After this we'll get into Kirkils.
Sir, for our exam we have linear equation, coordinate geometry, Euclid geometry.
So we'll do one thing, or else next class we will do this. We have one more class in August. We'll have a revision class and we'll stop until your exams. We don't do anything new. कब है आप लोग का exams?
11th September.
You are 11. When is Glendale Baba? 18. When is Times Baba? Huh?
23rd September, yeah. 23rd.
23rd. And Billa? 17. So this is first day. So all of you are almost together. So what we will do, just go on and write your, आप अपना portions डाल दो.
Okay.
No, don't write, give me the whole PDF. So we will just combine. I'll give this job, one job for you. This is which school? So we have Phoenix Green, will give the chapters, right?
The last.
Similarly, maths ले लो अभी. Science तो क्या है? Science में we are anyway far ahead. Then Glendale also gives their chapters. Then our friend Birla Open also gives, and Times also gives. Okay. Wherever you just combine, then say what are the commons आप एक जगह पे लिख लो. Do it today itself, all of you. And then there will be some stag chapters, and Chirac is also there.
The thing is, exams end on 6th of September. My math is on Tuesday.
He's anyway left out. So here you just do a analysis and leave out some chapters. So what we do till the exams are over, which are uncommon, you have to keep them separate.
Okay.
Majority you will get some common and some uncommon chunks. So finally, I am not interested to see who is coming. Wherever you will give me one sheet, let everyone post. And yeah, Mount Litera, iska bhi to hai. There's a Mount Litera also. So you give me ultimately that these are the common and these are stag alone chapters, right? Until your exams are over, तुम्हारा कब खत्म हो रहा है बेटा? 22 से शुरू होगा. हाँ तो इसका भी 22 से शुरू. So roughly we can say the month of September is going away all in exams. So we will start Kirkils only after exams. क्योंकि अगर अभी किरकिल स्टार्ट कर दिया तो आपका किरकिल पिकल बन जाएगा. तो तुम सर्कल्स पर हो भी. तुम्हारा डाउट है तो तुम भेजा करो. हम आपको 1-to-1 भी करा सकते हैं इस चैप्टर में. ठीक है. तुम्हें पैरेललोग्राम पढ़ाए बिना सर्कल पढ़ा दिया. Circles generally we do at last.
Yeah.
Because the